In this video, we're going to be looking at a pretty common issue, and that is adding some geometry to an existing model. So let's go ahead and tell you what let's do. Let's go ahead and import the model in question. I'll tell you what, let's do this. Let's go to File and Open the project. And we're going to go to our desktop and open up the puck file that we need to modify. So there it is. We're going to go ahead and delete that for now and just focus on this copy. And what we're looking to do is we're looking to add some geometry to this existing puck file. Now I don't know exactly how much, but let's go to our measure tool and just come in here and measure this. So basically what this is saying, if this is straight up and down, and then from that point on it starts to curve slightly. So let's just click on that, and that is basically an inch. So what we need to do to this file here is we need to add about another let's see, at least another inch. So let's go ahead and show you how we're going to do that. Pretty straightforward stuff. But what we're going to do here is we're going to cut. We're going to use the cut plane tool. So we're going to cut, and we're going to bring this yellow down to about yay. We're going to choose cut to parts, and we're going to go ahead and choose perform cut. Okay, so now it's performed the cut. And now what I want to do is just alt click the top, and let's go to, let's see, what do we want to do? Yeah, let's go to move. And we could see here that we are in the Z here, so we're at 65. So if we were to add an inch to that, that would be 25 that we would need to add. So then we'd be roughly at 90. So let's just go ahead and set the Z to 90, and then we can go ahead and modify this piece. So we can alt click here, and then we can go to our move tool, or scale tool rather, and then we can pull this. Now watch what happens when we pull this blue dot. See how everything gets moved up, and that is not exactly ideal, but we could see here that this is currently roughly 25. So let's just go ahead and set that at 55. Okay. Now remember, we wanted this to be set, this piece here, to be set at 90. So let's go ahead and make that back to 90 again. So now we have added roughly an inch to the overall height. And that's kind of what I wanted to do here. So let's go ahead and take this, and let's go ahead and do a mesh boolean. And let's do the union. And we're going to go ahead and union those two parts. So there we go. There's our union. So now that's just one part. And we're going to go ahead and copy and paste. And then we'll go ahead and rotate this down to right. Let's see. How do we want to do this? Right there. That's what we want. Just like so. Okay. And then we're just going to go ahead and save. And now we have resaved our puck assembly. And that is what we're going to go with now from now on. This will sit inside our lamp 2 inches. And that should hold inside our lamp pretty good at 2 inches deep. So a pretty simple little task, but something that we need to do because we needed just a little bit more inside the lamp when we're using this little assembly here. So until next time, thanks for watching.